everybody, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to try out the vending machine wherein we can catch some stuffed toys. So come and join me. First, we need to get our face mask for protection for anti-COVID. So safety first, guys. And then we can go now outside to play. So I'm here now, guys, outside, and it's raining a bit. So let's use our umbrella. And why am I looking out the gate? Because the security guard of our apartment keeps on looking. So now let's going to try out the place where we will play something. So I'll show you guys. This is the place where I am going to play. Maybe you're wondering why I go out at night just to play. Here we are, guys. Oops, there. So let's play. As you can see, there are so many vending machines, and all you needed is all we need is first, of course, alcohol, and then we need to get some coins from our purse. So let me rub my alcohol first. This is my coin first. Then I need just to get some coin. I need a 10 empty to put it on the coin. What do you call that? Coin slot. So this is the controller, guys, the black one, and this one is the catcher. The white button is the catcher. So there's a time limit, so we should be trying it now. So the catcher is moving. That's the first try. Now let's get the second try. I hope I get it, because it's not that easy to catch one, guys. Find it on the block, and then let's get that one. Almost. Just one more. I don't know if I still have coins. Luckily I still have coins. One more. It's really hard, guys, so you need to have a lot of patience to get this stuff. Yes. So I got one, guys. Oops, sorry. Wait. I got one. So, oops. There. Oh, nice. So that's it, guys. See you again next time on my next video, and please do click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and please click the like button as well. So God bless everyone. Keep safe. Love you all. Bye bye.